Good morning, students. We will continue today second chapter. Its application part, solution of linear equation, its application part. Statement questions. First we have to convert statement into equation and then we have to solve it. So first question is, sum of two numbers is 74. One of the number is 10 more than the other. What are the numbers? In 7th standard you have learnt converting statement into equation. Sum of two numbers is 24. Which are those two numbers? Two numbers are unknown. So here there is a link between the numbers. So one of the number is 10 more than the other. So what we will do is, first we will take one number or small one will be smaller, one will be bigger. So smaller number we will take that as a x, and the larger number is 10 more than x, means x plus 10. 10 more means you have to add 10 to that. So our two numbers are x and x plus 10. Sum is 74. If you add those two numbers, you will get 74. See, statement into equation. So if you add the numbers, our considered numbers are x and x plus 10, 74. Then solving the equation you have learnt in last class, adding the like terms, 2x plus 10 is equal to 74, then taking 10 to other side and simplifying. You will get the value of x. X is one number, another number is x plus 10, so 32 plus 10, 42. So these are the 32 and 42 are the two numbers. Next question, what should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7? First we will convert this statement into equation. What should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3? What should be added means that number is not known. So we will take that number as x. So before that, twice the rational number minus 7 by 3. Twice the rational number means 2 into minus 7 by 3. 2 times minus 7 by 3. If you multiply this, you will get minus 14 by 3. And what should be added? We will consider that number as x. So that we have to find out. So x, if x is added to minus 14 by 3 to get 3 by 7. To get 3 by 7 means adding means sum you are getting. Sum will be 3 by 7. How to convert? Adding means plus symbol. But what you have to add to x? Minus 14 by 3. Twice minus 2 times minus 7 by 3. That answer is here. So 3 by 7. So removing the bracket, plus into minus becomes minus, and then taking minus 14 by 3 to other side, it becomes plus. Then taking LCM, 7 into 3, 21 is LCM. To get to 21 here, you have to multiply by 3. For this you have to multiply by 7. Adding, you'll get the answer. So what should be added? 107 by 21 should be added to 2 into minus 7 by 3 to give 3 by 7. Next question, what should be added to twice? Once again it is repeated. You copy this second sum, example 5. Second sum you copy. This is repeated. So don't copy this once again. Third example 6. The perimeter of a rectangle is 13 centimeter. Its width is 2 3 by 4. Find its length. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth or length plus width. So here what is unknown? Length is unknown. So which is unknown, that you have to consider that as a variable. Assume the length of the rectangle as x. Perimeter of the rectangle is formula 2 into length plus width. 2 into length is x plus 2 3 by 4. Converting this into improper fraction. But it is given, this is the perimeter. Actually, as per formula, this is the perimeter. But here, we have not gotten the value. So x is there unknown. But perimeter is known. So if you simplify this, you have to get 13. So x plus 11, take 2 to other side, it becomes division. Then take plus 11 by 4 to other side, minus 11 by 4. Taking the LCM and simplifying. This you have learnt in the last class also, last year also. So once I have explained, again I am not explaining you same thing. Taking LCM and simplifying, you will get 3 3 by 4. So x value is 3 3 by 4. X is nothing but length. So 3 3 by 4 centimeter. So the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. Find these multiples. This sum I have solved here. My solution I will explain. See here. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. Find the multiples. You also copy this solution. So here how many numbers are there? 3 consecutive multiples. So We will consider first multiple of 11 be x. First one you consider as a x. See, multiples of 11 or multiples of any number means you have to add 11 to the previous product, right? So 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. How we got 22? 11 plus 11 by adding 11 to that. So if this is our first multiple of 11 means for the second multiple you have to add 11 to the previous multiple, right? So x plus 11. So for the third multiple you have to add 11 two times, right? So x plus 22. So don't consider three consecutive multiples of 11. This question if it come, don't consider as x, y and z, not considering like that. Three consecutive means you have to, first one only you have to consider as variable. Second one adding 11. If it is multiple of 11 means adding 11. If it is multiple of 8 means adding 8. Here if it is multiple of 8 means x plus 8 plus 8. So x plus 16, like that. So our three consecutive numbers are now x, x plus 11 and x plus 22. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 11 are 363. Sum means adding. Sum is 363. Adding, we are converting that into equation. Instead of add, plus symbol. X first number, second one, third one. As usual x, x, x are like terms, you can add 3x plus 11 plus 22, 33, and then take 33 to other side and then take 3 to other side, division, x is 110. Only x we got. Think and do. Read the question. We have to find three consecutive multiples. X is first consecutive multiple. So 110. Second multiple is x plus 11. See, here we have considered x plus 11 as second multiple. So we have to add for the value of x 11, 122. Third multiple is x plus 22. So adding 132. So these are the three consecutive multiples, 110, 121, 132. Similar sum, exactly similar sum, but the sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 here. So wherever 11 is there, you have to write there 8. And here 8 plus second one, 8 plus 8 is 16. Method is same, but the number only is different. Do this sum. And next example sum. When you copy the example sum also, you copy the solution done by me. This solution you don't copy. Example 10. The difference between two whole numbers is 66. The ratio of the two numbers is 2:5. What are the numbers? That's here. Difference between two whole numbers is 66. Two whole numbers, it's a difference. Difference means subtraction. The ratio of the two numbers is 2:5. What are the numbers? See, here it is given. It is not like other sum. Ratio is given. If the ratio is given, you have to consider the number as 2x and 5x. With that x you have to take, and our two numbers are now 2x and 5x. The difference between two whole numbers is 66. Difference means plus 66 to get, you have to subtract from the bigger number minus smaller number. So bigger will be definitely 5x, right? So 5x minus 2x is equal to 66. If you subtract like terms, you can subtraction, you can do 3x is equal to 66, x is equal to taking 3 to other side, 22. This sum you copy. Similar sum is there in exercise. Here the two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, similar sum, difference. Here 5x and 3x taking, and 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. What are the numbers? As like refer this sum, some steps they have skipped, but you do all the steps. So copy these example sums. Only example 9, the solution done by me, you can copy. And here some exercise sum I have solved. Copy this first one. If you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1/8. What is the number? See, we will take that number is unknown. Take that as x. Subtract half from the number means subtracting from the number. Now our number is x, so half subtracting. Multiply the result by 2. The result here, what is the answer you are getting? For that you have to multiply half again. You get 1/8. You get means answer will be, if you subtract half from the number and multiply half to the result, you will get 1/8. You will get 1/8 means equal to 1/8. Answer will be 1/8. Then as usual simplification. First you take half to other side. When you take fraction to other side, reciprocal you have to write in the other side. 2/1. Simplify it. Then take half to other side as usual, taking LCM and simplifying. This you will understand. Second question, perimeter sum. That one sum already I have explained. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154. Its length is 2 more than twice its breadth. What is the length and breadth? Both not given here. Both are not given, length and breadth. But here there is a link between length and breadth. Length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Length is 2 meter more, 2 more than its breadth. So we will consider breadth as B and the length is 2 more than 2 times its breadth. 2 more means 2 adding to 2 times breadth. So length is now 2 plus 2b. Perimeter given is 154. As you know, perimeter formula for the rectangle is 2 into L plus B is equal to 154. L and B you substitute. L is 2 plus 2b plus B is 154. Here these two you can add like terms. Same variable means like terms 3b. Then you take 2 to other side, it is division. Simplify this and then simplify as usual. Take 2 to other side, then take 3 to other side. So B value you will get 25. After getting B, length is 2 plus 2b. So in this what we have considered, in that you have to substitute 2 plus 2b, 2 plus 2b, 2 plus 2 into B value is 25. First you have to multiply 50, 52. So length is 52 centimeter, 25 centimeter is breadth. So third question, the base of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides will be equal. 4 by 3. Base is given. The perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of a triangle means adding all the three sides. Sum of three sides is 4 to 2 by 15. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? See, here base is given 4 by 3 centimeter. These two sides are equal. Perimeter means adding this side length and this side length. So perimeter is given 4 2 by 5. So perimeter is nothing but AB plus AC plus BC is equal to 4 2 by 15. AB plus AC, BC is given 4 by 3 and this you have to convert into mixed fraction into improper. 62 by 15 you will get. Next, taking as usual simplification, take number to other side, then take the LCM. You will get 15 is the LCM. So multiply, make the denominator equal, subtraction, 42 by 15 you are getting. So what is this 42 by 15? This is not the answer. AB plus AC, length of these two sides, sum of these two sides we got. But we have to find out length of AB and AC separately. So, but these two sides are equal, right? AB plus AC is 42 by 15. AB is equal to AC is equal to half of 42 by 15, right? Because sum of two sides, equal sides, two equal sides, 42 by 15. How to find separately side length of these two sides? Making half, equal halves, right? Since they are equal, equal half. Half of 42 by 15. Half means it is multiplication. So you will get 21 by 15. Again you can simplify here. 7 by 5. 7 by 5 mixed fraction is 5 ones are 2 remainder. 5 is the denominator. So length of equal sides. So both the sides AB and AC, its side length is 1 2 by 5 centimeter. So fourth question, copy the question and then you solution you copy. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by, sum of two numbers, if one exceeds the other by 15, one number exceeds means more, by 15, find the numbers. See, partially I have solved. Remaining part you have to do. Completing the solution is your job. So if one exceeds the other by 15, by taking this statement we will convert that into equation. Let the one number be, one number we will consider that as x. Another number is one exceeds the other by 15. One number if it is x means another number is 15 more than that number. So 15 you have to add. Sum of two numbers is 95. So sum, our two numbers are x and x plus 15. Sum means adding the numbers. X plus 15 is 95. Here as usual simplification, x and x we can add 2x plus 15, then taking 15 to other side. Then finally you will get value of x. After getting value of x, only one number you are getting. Another number, by adding 15 to that you have to find out. This is homework. Next question. Fifth question. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? Similar sum is there in example sum in the textbook. I have explained that This is also homework. Two numbers means you have to take two numbers as 5x and 3x. If they differ, 5x minus 3x is 18. Then simplifying that, same like example sum, you can do this sum. Three consecutive integers add up to 51. What are the integers? Three consecutive integers. See, sum of three consecutive integers add up to 51. 51. Find the numbers. See, three consecutive integers means continuous numbers. See, 36, 37, 38 are consecutive integers. First number may be any number, but the next number should be consecutive numbers. So first consecutive integer as any variable you take, but the second consecutive integer must be adding 1 to that. Third is adding 2 to that. 1 plus 1. For this x plus 1, again 1. So x plus 2. So our three consecutive integers are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. If you add, you will get 51. That is the meaning of this statement. So here again simplification part is your job. Add like terms, x plus x plus x, 3x plus 3 is equal to 51. Then take 3 to other side. Then take again with the x coefficient of x you take to other side, it becomes division. Find out x. You will get only first number. Second number you have to find out by adding 1 to that. Third number by adding 2 to that you have to find out. So this sum already I have explained, and sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. Already I have explained this solution, and that sum, this sum you have to solve. Any doubt? You can ask students. Thank you, students.